Every 30 seconds, a car is stolen in the US. Toyota, Honda, BMW. No brand is safe. Think high-tech hackers? Think again. Some thieves use tricks so simple they sound like urban legends. Like sliding a coin into your door handle. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's exactly why it works. You ignore it, and they drive off. These are the 13 craziest tricks car thieves use. And if you miss the last one, your car might be next. 13. Keyless relay attack. If your car has keyless entry, you're a target. Thieves don't need your keys, they just need your signal. Using two small relay devices, one thief stands near your front door, while the other is near your car. The first device picks up the signal from your key fob inside the house, even through walls, and relays it to the second thief near the car. The car thinks the key is right there and unlocks. Within seconds, the engine starts and your car is gone. No noise, no mess, just clean theft. To prevent this, store your keys in a Faraday pouch or metal container that blocks signals. Never leave your keys near windows or doors. Today's thieves don't break in, they hack in. 12. Code-grabbing devices. When you lock your car with a key fob and walk away, you feel secure. But with a code-grabbing device, thieves silently capture the wireless signal from your key fob when you press lock. Later, they replay the same code to unlock your car without any force. The doors open like magic. No broken glass, no alarms. This method works best in busy public areas like malls or petrol stations. You hit lock, they grab the code. To fight back, upgrade to rolling code key fobs that change the signal every time. And always carry a signal-blocking pouch. That satisfying beep you hear when locking your car, it might be music to a thief's ears. 11th. Hacking the OBD port to make a new key. Beneath your dashboard is a small diagnostic socket called the OBD port. Mechanics use it to check your engine. Thieves use it to steal your car. Once they break in, they plug a device into the port and program a brand new key within minutes. No alarms, no noise. Your car drives off like it was never stolen. This method is popular with push-start vehicles and luxury models. Most owners don't even realize it happened until it's too late. To protect yourself, install an OBD port lock, use a steering wheel lock, or hide the port using a relocation kit. Your car's weakest point might not be the door, it's the tech inside. 10. Fake tow trucks. Imagine parking your car legally only to return and find it gone. No broken glass, no clues, just gone. That's the power of a fake tow truck. Thieves use unmarked or stolen tow trucks to lift vehicles in broad daylight. No one questions a tow truck. It looks official. Sometimes they even wear vests or put a fake ticket on your windshield to sell the story. In minutes, your car is gone, loaded up and driven away. These thieves often target high-end vehicles and sell them for parts or ship them overseas. To avoid this, park in monitored areas, install a GPS tracker, and check for unauthorized tow signs. When a car disappears like it never existed, that's not towing, that's theft in uniform. 9. VIN cloning. Vehicle identification numbers, VINs, are like fingerprints for cars, but criminals are getting smarter. They steal a car, then copy the VIN from a similar, legally registered vehicle. This clone gets fake documents, a clean title, and even plates. It's then sold to an unsuspecting buyer who thinks it's legit. Months later, police knock on their door and seize the car because it was reported stolen. Meanwhile, the thief is long gone. This trick works best on popular car models. If you're buying a used car, double-check the VIN on multiple spots: dashboard, engine, door frame, and get a full vehicle history report. One clone number can turn your dream car into a nightmare. Remember, not all paperwork tells the truth. 8. Test drive theft. You list your car for sale. A potential buyer seems nice, well-spoken, even brings a friend. They ask for a test drive. You agree. But as soon as they take the wheel, they never come back. In some cases, they swap seats mid-drive or distract you and disappear. Others use fake bank checks, staged ID, or even leave you with someone pretending to be their relative while they vanish. It's quick, clean, and heartbreaking. To protect yourself, never do solo test drives. Always keep the keys with you and meet in public places with cameras. Better yet, bring a friend. Selling a car should never mean handing it over for good. Trust is good, control is better. 7. Signal jamming. You're locking your car with your remote, but nothing actually locks. Thieves with signal jammers sit nearby, blocking the signal from your key fob. You walk away thinking your car is locked, but it's completely open. These devices are cheap and easy to hide. Some fit in a pocket. Criminals then quietly enter your car and steal valuables or even drive it away if they have the right tools. This method is silent, clean, and leaves no forced entry marks, making it hard to prove. To beat it, always double-check your locks manually and look out for anyone lingering nearby. The click of a button isn't always enough. In seconds, your trust in tech can leave your car wide open for crime. 6. Fake buyers and scammers. You put your car up for sale and start getting messages. Some offer full payment right away, without even seeing the car. Others send fake bank receipts or overpay and ask for refunds. Some even come to inspect the car, distract you, and make off with valuables or parts. It's a world of digital lies and smooth talk. These scammers play with urgency, emotions, and fake professionalism. They know how to sound real. To stay safe, only deal in person. Never accept overpayments, and always confirm funds have cleared before handing over the keys. Trust your gut. A genuine buyer won't rush, and a scammer won't stop. One wrong move, and your car, or money, is gone. 5. Wheel theft. You wake up and your car is sitting on bricks, all 4 wheels gone. Welcome to the world of wheel theft. Thieves target vehicles with expensive rims or tires. With the right tools, they can jack up your car, unscrew the wheels, and vanish in under 10 minutes. It often happens at night, in quiet streets, or even in apartment parking lots. The damage is costly, not just for new wheels, but repairs to brakes and suspension. To protect your car, use locking lug nuts, install motion sensor lights, and park near security cameras. Even if they don't steal the whole car, they leave you stranded, and with a massive repair bill. A few bolts can cost you thousands. 4. Steering wheel lock removal. You think that heavy-duty steering wheel lock keeps your car safe? Think again. Professional thieves can cut through it in less than 60 seconds. No joke. Some even freeze the lock with aerosol and smash it off like glass. It's meant to be a visual deterrent, but to the pros, it's just a small hurdle. They come prepared with bolt cutters, drills, and confidence. Once it's off, your car is theirs to drive away. The worst part? No alarms, no broken glass, just a clean getaway. Always pair physical locks with GPS trackers, kill switches, or wheel clamps. These guys are fast, and if you're not smarter, that cheap lock won't save your ride. 3. Relay box theft. Modern cars use wireless key fobs, and that's where things get dangerous. Thieves don't even need your key. With a relay box, they can boost your key fob signal from inside your house and trick the car into thinking the key is right next to it. Within seconds, they can unlock and drive away. It's silent, it's fast, and it's common. They usually work in pairs. One stands near your home, the other near your car. No broken windows, no alarms, just gone. To stop it, use a Faraday pouch for your keys, disable keyless entry if possible, and install immobilizers. Don't let technology become your car's downfall. 2. The Gone in 60 Seconds crew. These aren't just random carjackers, they're professionals. Organized rings with access to manufacturer data, VIN cloning, and even corrupt insiders. They steal luxury vehicles and ship them overseas within hours. Some have access to dealer tools that can reprogram your car's computer. Others tow your car within seconds, pretending to be official. They plan, they scout, and they strike with military precision. Your car might be parked securely, but if they want it, they'll take it. To stand a chance, install multiple anti-theft layers, GPS, steering lock, camera surveillance, and more. One security method isn't enough when the thieves know everything. 1. Insider dealership theft. The biggest threat might come from where you least expect, inside the dealership. Some employees duplicate keys or leak customer data to criminal networks. A test drive? It could be a setup. Even valet parking or service centers are targets, especially when cars are kept overnight. Your personal info, address, car details, it's all vulnerable. Once they have your spare key or access code, stealing your car is effortless. That's why you must demand accountability. Change locks after buying used cars. Never leave personal documents in the glove box. And if something feels off at the dealership, trust your gut. Not all car thefts happen in the dark. Sometimes it's all done in broad daylight, by someone wearing a name tag. We often think car theft happens in shady back alleys with a broken window and a loud alarm. But the reality is much scarier. Today's thieves are smarter, faster, and more organized than ever before. They don't need to break anything. Sometimes they don't even need to touch your car. From fake tow trucks to cloned key fobs, from dealership insiders to relay box attacks, they've turned stealing a car into an art. And while most people think it won't happen to them, the truth is, it can happen to anyone. You could be at work, at dinner, or even sleeping peacefully. By the time you realize something's wrong, your car is already across the city, or worse, across the border. That's the game now. Fast theft, clean exit, zero evidence. But this isn't about fear, it's about being prepared. You don't need to be paranoid, just smart. Double up your security, hide your keys properly, invest in a GPS tracker, park in well-lit areas, know the tricks, stay one step ahead. Your car isn't just a machine, it's your freedom, your lifeline, and in many cases, your biggest investment. Don't let someone take that away from you because of a mistake that could have been prevented. If this video helped you learn something new, smash that like button, subscribe for more car survival tips, and share this with someone who drives. Let's keep each other safe out there. And in the comments, tell us, which of these tricks surprised you the most? Or have you seen any of them in real life? Stay sharp, stay protected, and remember, the smarter you are, the harder your car is to steal.